Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this yummy tuna salad. We're going to start off with our ingredients. We're going to use 4 cans of tuna in water, and it's very important that you use in water tuna. We're going to use about 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 can of whole kernel corn, about a quarter of this red onion, 1 Roma tomato, 1 cucumber, 1 stick of celery, half of a lime. You guys can add more. Cilantro, it's optional, but it tastes really good in there. And also optional, this chipotle pepper paste. And we are going to be adding some ground black pepper and salt. We're going to be making subs today, which is why I'll be using these French rolls. The first thing I like to do is add my red onion so that when I add the lime juice, it kind of marinates in there and it's not so harsh. I'll also be adding some salt and as well as the black pepper. I love black pepper, which is why I add a lot, and I'll probably add more at the end as well. Next, I add the celery. Next, I'll give this a quick little mix and let it sit while I chop up the rest of my ingredients. Okay, now we can go ahead and add our Roma tomato and our cucumber. You can add more or less of any of these vegetables, by the way. We love cucumbers, so I add a lot. Next up, we can go ahead and add our corn and as much or as little cilantro as you like. Go ahead and add our strained tuna. Give this a good mix. I added 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise to this because it is a lot of tuna. And also at this point, if you want to go ahead and add the chipotle sauce, you can go ahead and do it at this point. If you have never tried chipotle in your tuna, you are missing out. I'm going to skip that for now because my son doesn't really like spicy food. So I'll add that to my bowl once I'm ready to eat. It's looking so good already. If you guys have not tried this, please give it a try. I promise you, you will not regret it. I know I've seen people call it Mexican tuna. I just call it tuna or summertime tuna because it is so fresh, guys. Here I'm just gonna assemble my subs, and of course I have to add some lettuce and a good amount of this yummy tuna. My son loves this, and you can pair it with your favorite chips as well. So here is my bowl, and I'll be adding the chipotle paste, and I love it so much. I would probably add more to it later on, but here's my little mix. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make my sub. And you know what? The good thing about this is you can also eat it on tostadas or with saltine crackers. And it is so good. And I make a pretty big batch of this so that we can snack on it later on or have it the next day as well. And that is it for my tuna salad recipe. If you guys try this out, please comment down below what you guys thought.